Here's my sister in the video. The fidget spinners.
There's the
Here's my
fidget
sisters.
spinners.
Yep.
These are the fidget spinners. The fidget spinners are the contestant of this.
Ooh, fidget spinners, right?
Cool fidget spinners. And this is the crocodile.
Yep, this is the crocodile.
And this is the car. So they're going to play with the fidget spinners on your videos. You can check out the website.
Or subscribe this video
Or
so you can watch my other fidget spinner video.
It's going to be like that. That's the fidget spinners.
Yep, cool fidget spinners.
And these is the car. So
Now put your hand all in the video.
So we're gonna
Here's the fidget spinners,
here's all
and
the fidget spinners.
that's the back, and show them the front.
Here's the
Here's the front. Cool colors.
So this one is the back, and this one's the front.
That's my sister's fidget spinners too.
And this is my other sister fidget spinner. So you're gonna have.
Put your hand all in the thing.
So you're gonna be the contestant.
Interesting.
So this is my other sister fidget spinner. This is hers. Hers is white. So we're gonna check the video,
And you can just subscribe this video if you want to.
and what's that other thing you used to say?
The comment.
Yeah, here. This is the comment.
You can put this in the comments. What fidget spinner would you like most? The lighter ones or the regular ones?
You would like these little ones, these, or these ones. So here's the comment.
And you move the book. Wait, move the book.
So
Move the book.
so here's the comment.
Here, put in the comments which one you would like, the lighter ones or the regular fidget spinners.
Y'all like these ones, or you like those, the regular ones,
Or do you like the lighter ones?
right here.
Which one you like best, put it in the comments.
And the crocodile will too. In the car.
So that's it for our video.